Hi there foodies! Welcome back to Clever Mom. Are you tired of using multiple appliances to cook your meals? Look no further than the Ninja DZ201 Quart 6-in-1 DualZone 2 basket air fryer. This innovative kitchen gadget has two independent frying baskets that allow you to cook two different foods at once, saving you time and effort. At around $155, the Ninja DZ201 is a bit pricier than some other air fryers on the market, but its versatility and convenience make it well worth the investment. You can roast, broil, dehydrate, air fry, bake, and reheat all in one machine, making it the perfect all-in-one appliance for quick and easy meals. One of the best features of the Ninja DZ201 is its match cook technology, which lets you to cook different foods with different cooking times and temperatures in each basket, so you can cook an entire meal at once. Plus, the Smart Finish feature ensures that all your food finishes cooking simultaneously, so you don't have to worry about overcooking and undercooking anything. Another interesting thing about this air fryer is that it has a large 8-quart capacity, making it perfect for feeding a family or cooking for a crowd, and its sleek grey design will fit in with any kitchen decor. Of course, like any appliance, the Ninja DZ201 does have a few drawbacks. One potential downside is that it's a bit bulky, so it may take up more counter or storage space. Additionally, some users have reported that the cooking times and temperatures are not always accurate, so you may need to adjust them to get the perfect cook on your food. But as an overall comment, the Ninja DZ201 Quart 6-in-1 air fryer is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a versatile and convenient appliance for their kitchen. Its match cook and smart finish technologies, along with its large capacity and multiple cooking functions, make it a standout option in the crowded air fryer market. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and enjoy quick, easy and delicious meals in no time.